Here's how to start affiliate marketing step by step with $0 as a beginner and make money online. I will also reveal how to earn high commissions as well as the best free and cheap traffic source to promote your affiliate links and bring you passive income for years. Step number 1. Choose a niche or a target audience. Affiliate marketing is when you promote someone else's product and earn a commission every time you get a sale. Before you can start making money online with affiliate marketing, it's important to choose a profitable niche that you have interest, knowledge, and experience in. To make it easy for you, here are 12 profitable niches for affiliate marketing: health, wealth, dating, cooking, pets, photography, technology, fashion, beauty and makeup, travel, home and garden, parenting. These niches have plenty of affiliate programs that target urgent problems that people are willing to pay to solve. Do any of these niches interest you? If so, you have found your niche. If you're not interested in any of these niches, write down 10 things you're most interested in and check if they have demand. It will be easier to make money if you choose something you have knowledge in. Now check if there's demand, meaning are there lots of people interested in what you have interest and knowledge in? It will be hard to make money if there aren't that many people interested in it. You can easily check for demand using YouTube by searching related keywords on YouTube, find relevant channels, and check if they have several videos with over 100,000 views in the last 12 months. Now that you chose a niche, it's time for step number 2. Find affiliate programs in your niche that pay high commissions. To earn high commissions, find affiliate programs for digital products like ebooks and online courses instead of physical products. This is because digital products have a high profit margin. Here are 4 ways to find affiliate programs for digital products. ClickBank. Go through the categories and find your niche. As an example, I'm going to choose weight loss, and now you'll find affiliate programs for the niche you have selected. What you want to do now is to sort this list by gravity. What that does is you'll find affiliate programs that gets the most sales. So you're likely to make money if you promote those affiliate programs. So go here and sort by gravity. Now just go through these affiliate programs by clicking here and pick one that you like. Once you're ready to promote and start making money, all you need to do is click promote and create your affiliate link. Just fill in your affiliate nickname and click this button to create the unique affiliate link. And then start promoting this unique affiliate link on your YouTube channel and start making money. I will show you later in this video the different places you can promote your unique affiliate link to start making money. So keep watching. Another thing you can do is you can sort this list by average dollar per conversion. What that does is you will find affiliate programs that pays you the highest commission. So just go over here and select average dollar per conversion. And now you'll find affiliate programs that pays you the highest commission. Again, pick one that you like by clicking here, check out the page and find one that you like. And when you're ready, just click promote to create your affiliate link. Google, it's really easy. All you need to do is type in your niche and then type in affiliate programs. For example, let's say your niche is weight loss. Then you'll simply type in weight loss affiliate programs. And then you'll go through all the pages and look for an affiliate program that you like. For example, let's click Authority Hacker. And right here on this page, you will find 12 weight loss affiliate programs. Just go through them and find one that you like and create your unique affiliate link and promote them on your YouTube channel. You can also check out the other pages and you'll find more affiliate programs you can promote. YouTube, all you need to do is start searching and find popular channels in your niche and check the description to look for affiliate programs that they might be promoting. For example, I typed in weight loss exercises at home. Now all you need to do is go through these videos and check the description for weight loss programs that these channels might be promoting. Look for affiliate programs of digital products in your niche that pay you a high commission and get your unique affiliate link. Step number 3. Choose your free traffic source. In order to make money online with affiliate marketing, you need to get your target audience to buy the product using your unique affiliate link. And to get them to buy, you need to first have a way to reach them. So ask yourself, where do they go online or hang out? Are they active on Instagram? Do they read blogs? Are they active members on a forum or subreddit? Do they watch YouTube videos? There are free ways to reach them as well as paid methods using ads. But if you're a beginner and want to start affiliate marketing with $0, I recommend the free methods. So what are the best free methods of reaching your target audience to promote your affiliate links? First, we have blogs. But the problem with blogs is that it can take a year or more for a new blog to start getting traffic from Google because of all the links you have to build. You will also need to purchase a domain name and website hosting. Second, we have Instagram. It's free. But the problem with Instagram is that your traffic stops when you stop posting. So this is not a good method if you want to make passive income. You also can't share affiliate links on your posts. You can only do that in the bio. Third, we have my favorite method to drive free traffic, YouTube. And it's my favorite free traffic source because once you upload plenty of videos on your YouTube channel, you can continue to get views for years, resulting in passive income. Also, if you can create content on YouTube, your videos can show up on Google search and YouTube search because Google and YouTube are owned by the same company. And it gets better. YouTube now promotes new and small channels on the YouTube homepage to compete with TikTok. With YouTube, subscribers don't matter. You can get views whether you have 100,000 subscribers or 0 subscribers, as long as your content is good and is on a topic people are interested in. Many have had their first video on their channel go viral. You can also promote multiple affiliate links in your YouTube video's description, and you don't even have to show your face or use your own voice if you don't want to. I will explain exactly how later in this video. Step number 4. Create awesome content that gets views on YouTube. Now that you chose a niche and found affiliate programs for digital products in that niche, it's time to start getting views that result in affiliate commissions for you. How? By uploading the best videos on YouTube on the topics that's popular in your niche. This part is important. You see, low quality content equals low views, and low views equals less money. Also, the best content on topics that not many people are interested in equals less views and money. So here's how to find popular topics in your niche. Use YouTube search to search keywords related to your niche and find channels on that niche. Check what their most popular videos are. Once you choose a popular video, search YouTube with its title to find other popular videos on that topic. Now it's time to create an awesome video on that popular topic. In order to get views, make sure your video is better than the other videos on that topic. Here's how. Watch videos on that topic and make a list of everything they cover on a Google Doc. Make a list of things they did not cover that would be useful. Read comments left on those videos to see what viewers want that was not covered in the video. Check what sections of the video was most replayed. Now that you have a list of things to cover in your video, start writing your script on Google Docs. Remember, most people quit watching a video at around 30 seconds. So start your script by repeating the title and get to the content in 20 seconds so viewers don't lose interest and leave. Once you finish your script, you need a voiceover for your video. For the voiceover, you can either use your own voice or an AI voice. To make videos without using your voice, you can use 11 Labs to create realistic voiceovers using AI. If you're going to use your voice, read your script using your phone's mic. To make videos without showing your face, you can use these for the visuals. Stock videos from Pexels or Pixabay. Screen recording using a free software called OBS. Slides with Google Slides or Canva presentation. Now you have your voiceover and visuals ready. You now have to put them together to finish making the video. For that, you need a video editor. Here are 3 of the best free video editors: CapCut, Canva, DaVinci Resolve. If you want to edit your videos on your phone, use Canva or CapCut's app. But before you can have people watch your videos and get views, you need to first get their attention and stop them from scrolling, and then create enough interest to click your video. How? With a good topic, title, and thumbnail. I already showed you how to find popular topics in your niche. The goal of your title and thumbnail is to make people quickly understand what your video is about and create curiosity. To make people quickly understand what your video is about, use short titles and simple thumbnails. You can create thumbnails for free using Canva. Step number 5. Promote your unique affiliate link on your YouTube channel to make passive income. Now that you found affiliate programs for digital products in your niche and started getting views on your YouTube videos, where do you promote your unique affiliate link on your YouTube channel? Video's description, as a pinned comment, bio, Community tab. Make sure to mention the product in your video and let your viewers know that the link is in the description. And make sure your affiliate link is at the top of your description in the first line so your viewers do not miss it. Remember, promote affiliate programs for relevant digital products that pay you a high commission.